Hexane is a covalently bonded molecule consisting of 6 carbon atoms and 14 hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen atom forms 1 covalent bond, and each carbon atom forms 4 covalent bonds. These 20 atoms can be rearranged into 5 different compounds called structural isomers, each having slightly different properties. Notice how the boiling points of each isomer changes. Arranging the carbon atoms in a straight chain produces N-hexane. Moving the end carbon to the second carbon position and rearranging hydrogens produces 2-methylpentane. Sliding the methyl group to the third carbon position produces 3-methylpentane. Moving the methyl group to the fourth carbon position appears to make 4-methylpentane. But wait! Rotating the molecule shows that it's identical to 2-methylpentane. Now, adding the end carbon to the second carbon position produces 2,3-dimethylbutane. Moving the methyl group to the second carbon position produces 2,2-dimethylbutane. Sliding both methyl groups to the third carbon position appears to make 3,3-dimethylbutane. But wait again. Rotating the molecule shows it's identical to 2,2-dimethylbutane. These are the 5 isomers of hexane.